Firefly larvae have a natural bioluminescence ability. This ability is used as a warning signal. The glowing light deters potential predators. It signals that the larvae are toxic or unpalatable. Bioluminescence is a defensive mechanism in nature. Luminous larvae commonly inhabit damp environments. These environments provide camouflage and safety. Predators associate the glow with toxicity. This ensures the larvae's survival in dangerous habitats. Bioluminescence evolution involves chemical reactions. Luciferin and luciferase produce the light emission. This spectral output deters specific predators. Different species have varying glow patterns. Patterns are unique, often species-specific signals.